Hello guys, today we're going to make lemon curd. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like. We are going to need lemon juice, lemon zest, egg yolks, sugar, butter and salt. We're going to first take the egg yolks, mix it a bit, add sugar and mix it until it becomes fluffier and lighter in color. Then we're going to add our lemon juice and mix it again. Then we're going to add our lemon zest and mix it. Then our pinch of salt and mix it again. After this, we're going to go to the next step. We're going to take our pot, pour everything in nicely. Oil it on a lower heat while you stir. This is probably gonna take most of your time because you don't want it to burn. You have to stir it until it becomes thick. You'll even see it. And this is the same way I make my vanilla sauce. This is the first test I did just to see how thick it is. You can probably see the thickness when you're making it, but just for a simple test you have to do that with a wooden stick. It's actually becoming thick and this is really amazing. The color is amazing too. And I would use this cream probably when I'm making my pita choux or my lemon cupcakes, just to fill them in to have a nice taste. It's really becoming. Now this is the second test and I'm really glad with the outcome. Now I add my cold butter and this will just give it that shininess and it will also cool the lemon curd. And look at the silkiness. It has to be silky, thick and nice. After the butter has really melted nicely, everything is well incorporated, don't forget to put your silky, nice, lovely, tasty lemon curd in a jar. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I upload, you'll get a notification.